Yes.
May I play that this matter may be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
In repair of Mr. Chakraborty, Council Poti. Adjourn for only fix my ears.
I'd like.
Yes, okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Your Lordship. Matter may be adjourned for the day, Your Lordship.
What's your good name?
I hope, Your Lordship.
In repair of Council for the petition. Adjourn for.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 for adjournment, Lordship.
In repair of Mr. S.K. Chakma, right?
AK Hajong, Lord.
A.K. Hazong, your name is not there?
No, Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of H. Betal.
A.K. Hazong and me are for the sketch. Adjourn for the week.
Oblige, Lordship.
May I please, Chairman? Well, I suppose, my lord, my item is first item, my lord, admission.
Yes, it has not yet been called.
I'm sorry, my lord.
I'm really sorry. Really call.
Lord, by virtue of order dated 27/2023, my lord, I was directed to produce the voter list of my mother, my lord, pertaining to the year 1985, my lord. And my lord, I have obtained the, my lord, voter list of 1979, my lord. I could not obtain the voter list of 1985. The 79 is there, my lord. If I may be allowed to produce the voter list of my mother, my lord.
Take your seat.
Well,
Okay, there. Yes. Mr. Ahmad,
My lord. Regarding the linkage part, from the my lord, exhibited voter list and the annexed that I have annexed along with the writ petition also. My linkage along with my parents are very clear, my lord, right from the year 1993, my lord, where my name appeared along with my mother. Regarding the other voter list, my lord, right from 1965, my grandfather along with my father, my lord. Everything is supposed to be clear.
so Mr. Ahmad, what I have seen from the records of the case is that you are relying on a particular voter list of 1993 and hereafter
Yes,
to show that you are son of your projected father
father and my mother is also there,
and that your name has been
enlisted with mother
enlisted in
and
the voter
brother,
list of 1993 along with your mother,
mother and younger brother.
mother and
Younger brother who has also
Younger.
deposed me. Many.
now please you can read vernacular
My
page 32. Okay, please come to page number 28.
my lord. Yes, my lord.
There are name of three persons.
3 persons, my lord. The first one is my father, Abdul Motlab, and Sufia Khatun is my stepmother. And Kulsum Khatun is the mother of the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm. Then come to 77.
My lord.
Yes.
And page 77 speaks about the investigation, my lord, carried out by the
No,
police.
that is not the issue. Then you relied on the voter list of 1977.
The voter list of 1977.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord. Yes, the name of father along with the stepmother and biological mother of is there, my lord, of the proceeding.
Hmm.
Only the age discrepancy, my lord. If Lordship, my lord, compares, my lord, the voter list of 1970 along with the 77, names are almost similar, my lord.
Hmm.
The age, my lord, discrepancy, it is apparently clear, my lord.
Hmm.
That has been, my lord, said in the deposition part also, my lord. In the evidence part also by the proceeding himself, my lord.
After 1977, what happened?
After 1977, they did not produce the, my lord, continuous voter list, for which, my lord, they was directed to produce the voter list of 1985, my lord. And I have obtained the, my lord, voter list of pertaining to the year 1979, where the name of the parents appear. If your lordship, my lord, kindly permit me, I may be allowed to produce, my lord. I could not annex, I could not file along an affidavit in opposition, my lord. Affidavit, additional
Now-
affidavit.
Can you tell us one thing?
Take only person.
That is not a certified copy. You cannot look into it.
This is not a certified copy. In fact, my lord, if your lordship kindly have a look, my lord, from this, my lord, voter list, my lord,
You'll get anything, these kind of hotel lists in every pawn shop.
my lord will kindly have a look, my lord. Serial number 27 and 29, my lord, and 28, my lord. All the three names are there, my lord, from the same village, my lord. If some time may be given, my lord, I may be allowed to produce the certified copy, my lord, even if I get some time, my lord. I'll be producing the certified copy. I could not arrange it, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. It is there, my lord. The name of the parents are there, my lord, in the voter list of 1979.
You said in your evidence that for the first time you have cast votes in 1989.
Yes.
And name of your name figured in the voter list of 1993, which you have exhibited.
Yes, my lord.
You have also said that your father expired in the year 1984.
My lord.
Why your name did not figure with your father? Because you are eligible to vote since 1979. Is there any document? Why? Because it's your evidence.
My lord, if your
You are
lordship, my lord,
supposed to prove.
my lord. So
So-
from the voter list of 1993, my lord, it is very clear that the discrepancy of age is there, my lord. If your lordship, my lord,
Yes,
kindly have a look.
that you are that is the reason you are eligible to vote considering your age in 1993. You are eligible to vote in the year 1979 and your father expired in the year 1984. So why your name did not figure along with your father, which would have been the correct finding for you, the best evidence for you to prove.
My lord, for a moment, lordship will kindly have a look at in the voter list of 1993, my lord.
Hmm.
The name of my lord mother is there in the bottom, my lord, Kulsuma Khatun. Her age has been shown as 37 years. And in fact, my lord, being the son of the my lord Kulsuma Khatun, Abdul Qadir is the petitioner. His age has been shown as 35 years. My lord, this is not possible, my lord. This
You
is the
are,
my lord,
see, Mr. Amir, you are relying on this evidence.
my lord.
You cannot select a particular line or whatever, and you cannot reject from it. You have to accept it in toto. If there is some illegality or wrong finding, wrong name, wrong age, something, you have to accept and say, because it is your evidence.
My lord, regarding the discrepancy of age, my lord, if anybody's voter list is compared, 3-4 number of voter list, my lord. In every voter list, my lord, we normally see the
Basically,
age discrepancy.
he is the enumerator who goes to your house.
Yes, my lord.
It is you who is giving the age.
That I admit, my lord, but it was wrongly.
Otherwise, it has been
My
compared
lord.
4 years, 5 years. They have just simply added it.
Yes, my lord.
When the enumerator goes to your house and you say, this is my age, this is his age, that is her age. You specify, and according to you, it has been written, and nobody else.
The difference of the son and the mother is age difference is only 2 years, my lord. In the voter
That
list
is
and
why,
and
Mr.
in
Ahmad, that is why saying, as you are eligible to
absolutely
vote
wrong.
in the year 1979, and there are many elections, why your name did not figure along with your father prior to 1993?
My lord, this petitioner, my lord, his wrong age has been wrongly listed as 35 years. He cannot be 35 years in the year 1993. My lord, looking at the age of his mother, my lord, she was
So you do
37
not
years
know
old.
what would be his age.
As
Because
such,
you have given. It's not that is your evidence. That is why we are asking for you. Tell us.
my lord, Lordship will kindly allow me one more opportunity so that I may produce the voter list pertaining to the year
Production is
1980.
not before, we are not looking after press evidence. Whatever press evidence you have to produce, you have to.
Not fresh
Right,
evidence,
right.
my lord. As he said, my lord, his name was.
If you produce some particular thing.
I'll produce the specific voter list, my lord, where my name was first,
Ahmad, only thing we can do, you have read many judgments, right?
my lord.
In the exercise of the power under Article 220 is most particularly certiorari. Can you look into new evidence?
No, my lord, I'm not. My lord.
Right? Whatever documents even do, that is not acceptable.
Yes, my lord.
Only thing, whatever you have produced before the tribunal,
Tribunal.
that only will has to be considered.
Yes, my lord.
If you can show where is the illegality in this order, we'll immediately pass any order and sending it back to the. Show us where is the illegality in the order of the tribunal.
My lord, regarding the linkage part, my lord, I can say, my lord, I can submit before your lordship, my lord, that
Where is the illegality in the order?
the illegality is nothing because of the, my lord, age discrepancy, my lord.
Here
This order has
we are
been
not
passed in
here, we are
against the
not-
proceeding, my lord.
Mr. Hamad, see, we are not in an appeal. We are in certiorari.
My lord.
So you have to show us that illegality on order. Unless you can show the illegality in the order, you cannot exercise that power. Because you should be very clear that we are not sitting in appeal.
Yes, my lord.
We are only exercising certiorari. And what is certiorari, you know very well.
Right.
Right?
My lord.
So tell us.
My lord, the exhibited documents, my lord, which was, my lord, produced by the proceeding, my lord, nothing was taken into consideration. Only because of this, my lord, small, my lord, this age discrepancies, my lord.
That is your evidence.
My
And
lord, we
you,
understand.
when you given evidence.
And these were, my lord,
relying on
voter
a
list
voter
of.
list. You are relying on a voter list.
My
It
lord.
is not that a voter list has to be pick up and choose, right? Your name is there against Abdul Matlab, so you are the your father is Abdul Matlab. But at the same time, it has to be rejected. Your mother is 37 years.
My lord, these are the
Right.
voter lists. Yes, my lord.
That if you have to accept the entire voter list, then only it is possible. The same voter list says your father is Abdul Matlab, but your mother is 37, whereas your is 35.
That is what
Right?
is happening.
So there has to be reliability on that evidence. That is the reason, Mr. Hamad.
Lord, this is the reason he is suffering, my lord, and this is the age discrepancy, my lord.
Illegality. That is the
There-
reason we are asking you.
My lord, it is admitted that they are illiterate, my lord. They do not know anything, my lord. How the ages
That is
were
cannot.
entered, my lord, in the reflected in the
cannot
voter
be.
list, my lord. My lord,
That cannot
apparently,
be.
my lord, if your lordship will kindly compare the continuous voter list that I have, my lord, annexed, my lord. It is very clear that, my lord, the linkage has been established, and because of the, my lord, age discrepancy, my lord, the learned tribunal, my lord, member of the tribunal, he
My
disbelieved, my lord. He disbelieved, my lord.
Mothers were illiterate. Right? They didn't know that because at that point in time they were not to send to schools. Even now, if you see,
My lord.
you'll see the lineage. So don't say that the illiteracy. How much you have to establish your case first for admission. Then only we can consider. Unless there is anything to be, we're in the admission stage, right?
My lord.
So what's any illegal?
Yes, my lord. If your lordship, my lord, let us start from the voter list, my lord. First voter list, my lord.
We are not saying about Abdul Matlab, because that is the reason we're asking you.
Yes, my lord.
Considering your age, a 1993 voter list, you are supposed to come to your vote in 1979 itself.
That was wrongly entered, my lord. It is admitted, my lord. My lord, if you're, my lord, from the voter list itself, my lord, the mother's age has been shown as 37 years. The son cannot be 35 years, my lord. I'm admitting that, my lord. It was wrongly, my lord, entered, my lord. They gave them, my lord, wrong data, my lord, before the enumerator, my lord.
Who?
My lord, the family members of the proceeding, my
Then-
lord. Either they, my lord, provided the wrong data, or the enumerator, my lord, had wrongly entered the, my lord, age, my lord. My lord, one has to be there, my lord.
According to you, when you were eligible to vote,
My lord, he said he first, my lord, for the first time he casted vote in the year 1989, my lord. And he did not exhibit the voter list. And therefore, my lord, I was submitting before your lordship that if I may get a chance, my lord, to produce the voter
now
list,
how can you say that that evidence you should have brought it before the tribunal?
that was not
Even
before.
if you bring it as a particular document or certified copy, can you look into it? That is the first thing we have asked you.
That was not exhibited, my lord.
Read the cross of your father, cross of the proceeding, page number 64.
My lord. He was 60 years then, my lord,
Hmm.
during that cross part, my lord.
Hmm.
His father expired in the year 1984, my lord.
Then
Then, my lord, my father expired in the 1984. My own mother expired 8 years after the death of my father. The name of my own mother is Kulsuma Khatun,
now just see
my lord.
your, just see your case. Your
Fine.
father expired in 1984
84.
and your mother expired 8 years after the death of your father. So by which year your mother expired? Add 84 with 8. Right. Just simply add.
Yes, 84 and 8 is 90, probably 93 or 92.
How can it be? 92,
92.
and which voter list you are relying?
93, my lord. That was, my lord, wrongly said, my lord. 92 and
that is
93, my
why-
lord. One
which
or
one-
1 year, 2 year.
Which one to be accepted by the tribunal?
My lord, we understand, my
Okay.
lord.
Please go ahead.
Yes, my lord. The name
Then-
of my own mother is Kulsuma Khatun. I know about the documents exhibited by me. In the voter list of 1966, the age of Abdul Matlib has been recorded as 45 years. In the voter list of 1970, the age of Abdul Muttalib has been recorded as 50 years. In the voter list of 77, the age of Abdul Muttalib has been recorded as 70 years. This is the wrong, my lord. In the voter list of 1970, the age of Kulsuma Khatun is at serial number so and so has been recorded as 34 years. In the voter list of 77, age of Kulsuma Khatun is at serial number so and so has been recorded as 45 years. In the voter list of 1970, the age of Sufia Khatun has been recorded as 40 years. In the voter list of 1977, the age of Sufia Khatun has been recorded as 60 years. In the voter list of 89, the name of father of Abdul Qadir has been recorded as Abu Sheikh. It is not a fact that I have submitted false documents to prove the name of my father and mother. It is true that in the voter list of 1989 and 1993, my age has been correctly recorded. In the voter list of
You have
1990,
admitted it has been correctly admitted.
Yeah.
So you are 35 in the year 1993. Yes, proceed.
yes, my lord. In the voter list of 1993, the name of my own mother has been recorded at serial numbers so and so. Her age is in the voter list has been recorded as 37 years. I casted my first vote in the year 1989. Thereafter, I have been regularly casting my vote. I have not mentioned in my evidence as to why I have not produced voter list prior to 1989. I have not mentioned in my evidence in which year I purchased land and from whom it was purchased. I have not mentioned the number of the registered sale date and the date of registration. I have not produced the land revenue payment receipts in my evidence. It is not a fact that the land and the land documents do not belong to me. It is a fact that I have not mentioned in my evidence as to on which land, own land or government land my father and grandfather had resided. It is not a fact that the voter list of 1966 and 70 do not belong to my father and grandfather.
The
The
count-
Gaubura has not come to the tribunal today to prove the certificate. Exhibit L, it is not a fact that what I have stated in my evidence is false. It is not a fact that the documents produced by me are false. I have procured the documents after I got notice from the tribunal. It is not a fact that the police report is correct. This much. my lord.
Then read DW to your brother.
Yes, my lord. DW. My lord, the type copy, my lord. Correct. Let us go to my lord, page 68, my lord.
Hmm.
That I am a citizen of India by birth and I am the younger brother of the opposite party of the instant case. Number two, that I and the opposite party were born and brought up at village Utkati, PS so and so, district Moriga, Assam. Our father's name is Abdul Mutaleb and grandfather's name was Daulat Sheikh. We had two mothers. Our biological mother's name was Kulsuma Begum and stepmother's name was Sufia Begum. From the side of my mother, Kulsuma Begum, there is Mokbul Hussain, Hassan Ali, Abdul Qadir is the opposite party, and Ramisa. And from the side of our stepmother, Sufia Khatun, there is Kaimatuddin, Kasem Ali, extra, Khairuddin, Sanbanu, Asabanu, Podbanu, and Joripus Malika. That our father Abdul Mutalab and grandfather Daulat Sheikh was the permanent resident of village Utkati, PS so and so, district Moriga, Assam. Accordingly, they togetherly casted vote in the year 1966 from so and so, right serial number so and so in village so and so. Moreover, our father Abdul Mutalab and mother Kulsuma Begum and stepmother Sufia Khatun's name are also enlisted in the voter list of 1970 from so and so, LSC number, white serial number so and so in village so and so. That I have casted my first vote along with my elder brother Abdul Qadir and other family members in the year 1999. This is also wrongly mentioned. From serial number so and so in village so and so. After that, I shifted my residence to village Kothalguti, Kasaregao, PS Juria, district Nagaon, Assam, due to marriage. Now I am residing there permanently and casting my vote. That I and the opposite party are the citizen of India by birth and descent. That the statements made in this affirm and hence I put my signature on this and page. This much only. Now, if your lordship kindly go to the cross part of the younger brother of the proceeding, page 72. I have adduced my evidence after consultation with the proceeding Abdul Qadir. I knew about the case pending in the foreigners tribunal from the proceeding Abdul Qadir. I have not submitted any documents to prove my citizenship. I know the contents of the evidence filed by me. It is not a fact that I have adduced false evidence. It is not a fact that I am not the younger brother of the proceeding Abdul Qadir. From the Millard, there was no rebuttal Millard. In the Millard cross part of the younger brother of the proceeding Millard. So far as the Millard, his linkage along with the proceeding and along with this mother Millard. If your lordship Millard kindly consider this part Millard, the evidence part of the younger brother of the proceeding Millard. This will also Millard show the establishment of Millard linkage and lineage with the proceeding along with his father and grandfather Millard. If the deposition part of the younger brother of the proceeding is taken into consideration by your lordship Millard, the linkage is there Millard. The learned tribunal Millard did not consider Millard the voter list only because of the age discrepancy of the mother
That's
of
what,
himself Millard.
there is no illegality.
Otherwise,
there.
Millard, the linkage Millard from the apparently clear Millard, it is from the voter list Millard, there was no shifting, and from the other family members Millard, right from the 1966 to 70 Millard. The name reflected in the similar pattern, same Millard, same Millard. There is no discrepancy as regards Millard name Millard. Only the age Millard, that because of the age Millard, nothing was considered by the concerned tribunal Millard. For a moment, if my lord kindly consider my lord the name, the pattern of the my lord names right from the year voter list of my lord 1965 and my lord, I have, so far as I have annexed and my lord exhibited my lord. The linkage is very clear, my lord. Only the my lord age discrepancy that I admit, my lord, it was there, my lord. It is not possible, my lord. If your lordship, my lord, compare the voter list of 1993, the age difference was 2 years between the mother and the proceeding, my lord. That is not possible. Let I admit, my lord. It was wrongly, my lord, reflected and entered by the enumerator. Either it was given by the family members of the proceedee or the enumerator himself, my lord, recorded the voter age, my lord, wrongly, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, from the my lord, exhibited voter list, my lord, and the deposition made by the younger brother of the proceeding, my lord, the linkage is clear, my lord. It was established, my lord. And there was no rebuttal, my lord, regarding the deposition of the younger brother of the proceeding, my lord.
Now please come to page number 55.
My lord.
Read para 4.
Yes, please. That the opposite party, Abdul Qadir, is born and brought up in village Utkati, PS Lahorihar, district Moregaon, Assam. His father's name is Abdul Muttaleb and grandfather's name was Daulat Sheikh. The opposite party had two mothers. His biological mother's name was Kulsuma Begum and stepmother's name was Sufia Khatun. The opposite party has total 6 brothers, including him, and 5 sisters. From the side of Kulsuma Begum, within bracket biological mother, there is Maqbul Hussain, Hassan Ali, Abdul Qadir, Romisa, and from the side of stepmother, Sufia Khatun, there is Qayamuddin, Kasum Ali, Khairuddin, Chandbanu, Pasabanu, and Qadbanu, Joripas Malika. The opposite party's wife name is Johura Khatun, and he has 2 sons, namely Zahiruddin and Amir Hussain.
Now, as per this, we have seen the name of Hassan Ali comes at B and the proceeding comes at C. Now, please turn to page number 59. Second paragraph.
59, my lord. Yes, that I was born and brought up in village Utkati, PS so and so. My father's name is Abdul Muttalib and grandfather's name was Daulat Sheikh. I had 2 mothers. My biological mother's name was Kulsuma Begum and stepmother's name was Sufia Khatun. I have 6 brothers and my 5 sisters, including me. From the side of my mother, Kulsuma Begum, there is Maqbul Hussain, Hassan Ali, Abdul Qadir.
Here also you are at serial number 3. Hassan Ali is at serial number 2. Now come to page number 67. The evidence in affidavit of DW2, your brother,
Well,
para 7.
that I and the opposite party were born and brought up in village Utkati, PS so and so, district Moregaon. Our father's name is Abdul Muttalib and grandfather's name was Daulat Sheikh. We had 2 mothers. Our biological mother's name was Kulsuma Begum and stepmother's name was Sufia Khatun. On the side of my mother, Kulsuma Begum, there is Maqbul Hussain, Hassan Ali self, Abdul Qadir opposite party, Ramisa. And from the side of our mother, stepmother, Sufia Khatun, there is Qayamuddin, Qasim Ali, Khairuddin, Chandbanu, Parabanu, Qadbanu, and Joripas Malika. This is there, my lord.
Right? So again, the Abdul Qadir at serial number 3.
My lord.
Hassan Ali is at number 2.
My lord.
That's how the seriatim has been given. Read para 4.
Paragraph 4 of my lord. Read petition, my lord.
Here. Para 9.
Para 9 of my lord, deposition of the my lord, brother of the proceeding, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 67. That I have casted my first vote along with my elder brother Abdul Qadir and other family members in the year 1993 from so and so LSC by serial number so and so in village Utkati, PS so and so. After that, I shifted my residence to village Kothalguti, Kosarigaon PS Juria district, Nagaon, Assam, due to marriage. Now I am residing there permanently and casting my vote.
In your written statement,
My
is there any mention? You did not mention about your elder brother, Makbul Hussain. You did not mention that your brother Hassan Ali has shifted to another place after 1993.
Regarding the shifting part of my younger brother,
Not
I
that.
did not mention it.
See, basically, you have adduced somebody's evidence, right? It has to be reliable and acceptable.
But while filing the written statement, the proceeding tried to establish his initial linkage and discharge his initial burden along with his father only. Therefore, he did not say anything regarding the shifting part of his younger brother in his written statement. But from the para 4 itself, of the written statement, it is clear that the names of the father, grandfather, and his mother's stepmother and the own mother, and his other siblings, everything has been well explained. Only the shifting
You
part.
come at serial number 3, but as because in the voter list of 1993, the name of one person is reflected as Hassan Ali. That's how.
Not before exhibiting the documents, when I submitted furnished my written statement, I had clearly stated that Hassan Ali is my younger brother. Hassan Ali is my brother,
Did not say younger.
Did
You
not
said
say younger,
brother.
but he is my brother,
That's how.
I say. But he
That's the
has,
reason.
at the time of making the depositions, evidence, I allow as well as the my younger brother. He said that he's my younger brother. I also said Hassan Ali is my younger brother. There is no denial about that. Now, my humble prayer before your lordship is that lordship will kindly admit this petition, In the meantime, I'll try to produce the voter list, certified copy of voter list pertaining to 1979 and other years, if possible, even though those were not exhibited, For the interest of justice, lordship will kindly,
Question that doesn't arise, which I are saying. If you can show us any illegality order, we'll definitely intervene. As of now, Mr. Hamad, you have seen. Regarding certiorari law is very clear. Only because this is a bench or a particular bench is constituted for the matters relating to fairness trial. When the division bench one takes up all the matters relating to the tribunal from central appendix tribunal or other tribunals, you know how they are interfered.
Right.
Right?
my lord.
If there is nothing before the court to consider in the writ petition because they are exercising certiorari.
My lord.
Same here.
Then, I'll try to produce, some apex
Even
court
if you
judgments.
produce,
Lordship will kindly allow me, one more chance, and Lordship will kindly fix this case any day in the next week, I'll try to produce, I'll try to
Monday.
satisfy Lordship.
Monday.
Monday, my lord.
What is the name of your wife?
Probably, my lord, Johura Khatun, I suppose. Johura Khatun.
You can just click on the prayer of the council for the petition. List matter. Monday for it.
I'm deeply obliged.
Kali pasok na timing.
For a week on a date to be fixed by the register. The prayer of the council. Yes, next.
Maybe the lordship. Time, part of timing, lordship, my itinerary here. It's coming for another flight. Deeply obliged.
For isn't it? Oh,
My lord, I appeal for Mr. Gupta for the respondents, my lord. Some personal difficulty matter may be urgent, my lord, for today.
Six attempt. Mr. Gupta, when will be available?
My lord, he is not available, my lord.
When will he be available?
Last week, my lord, last.
Takes no representation on behalf of the petitioner and court. To name of. I've counsel have been. What's a good name?
Why Borvia, my lord?
Why?
Borvia, my lord.
Mr. Y will be. Getting on behalf of Mr. H. And says this. Because of his personal. Not in the court. Adjourn for 2 weeks. This will the matter after 2 weeks on the date to be fixed.
Also, please, my lord.
Yeah, the lordship finally fix a date, lordship. It's getting in that.
After 2 weeks,
Deeply obliged.
$11.50. Two weeks.
May I please the lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 24 of today's daily list.
Hmm.
Actually, your lordship, my senior Mrs. Begum, she is not well, so kindly the matter be adjourned for the day, your lordship.
It is submitted above that MS have become counsel for the petition using disposal. Adjourn 14 days. On the date to be fixed by the registry.
Also, your lordship, in this case, up-to-date case diary was called for, which has not been received, your lordship.
Which police station? On the next date fixed, the concerned investigating officers. Place the up-to-date case diary. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 5, lordship, I am appearing on behalf of A. Sharma, lordship. Kindly for adjournment today, lordship, next week, any day.
For a week.
5. Obliged.
Yes.
May I please, lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, lordship. This matter may be taken up on 19th, lordship, along with BA number 427, 2025.
I'm put the attachment on 21st. Because the offsides out of station.
And 19th fixed আছে 19th করাই দিও 9
You are appearing for 1919.
16 lot.
another case is fixed on 19th, lordship, that's why I am praying for on.
That is item number 16,
Yes, lordship.
427.
Yes, lordship.
List along.
BA number 427, 2025.
On 19.
19.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 and 34 in supplementary list. Matter may be adjourned for the day only, 11. And 34 supplement. Pass over for the day, lordship.
11 and 34 on the prayer of concept. Adjourn for you. Okay.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of regular bail application, lordship.
When did you file?
11th February, lordship. Lordship, another is yesterday filing, lordship, regular bail application for listing.
You have the filing number.
Filing number not.
Without the filing number, mention memo will not be accepted. Yes, next.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. Kindly the matter may be adjourned for the day as Leonard
counsel for the petitioner is out of station, Lordship.
For a week.
It may be fixed on 25th, Lordship.
We are not fixing any date.
Oblige.
The matter was fixed today.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, item number 25. Lordship, this matter may be taken before rising.
We are here for the whole day. We'll take up.
Oblige.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition, your lordship. There are some inadvertent mistake committed.
What's your good name?
R.A. Mazumdar on behalf of I.H. Lashkar.
An instruction to petition. Return me. Mr. Your full name?
R.A. Mazumdar,
Counsel, you are appearing on whose behalf?
I.H. Lashkar.
Page for withdrawal of this. Bill application. You are allowed to petition.
Oblige.
No representation on that.
May I please? Substantive case millet. At this stress millet notice kindly be issued. I have made the party informant. Memberships will find the FIR case 19.
Special records of special case number 01 of the records में कोई eligible कर ली वो देना है आज का पुलिस स्टेशन केस नंबर 48 of report of an special development bucket cost of the photo of April. Petitioner self accepts subsequent to the informant. Respondent number 2. One of the two right. Having a copy of this. Copy at the party to the register page. This particular.
Oblige. My lord, this matter may kindly be taken up along with item number 19, my lord, arising out of same case therein. Oblige.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, FIR is at page 14, lordship. No criminal ingredients in the FIR, lordship, and the petitioner number 1 is not named in the FIR also, lordship. Kindly peruse page 14 annexure B, lordship. Can I go through it, lordship?
Just your seat, please. Take your seat.
Lordship.
আর নামবেন নাকি কারণ বিপিএল ক্যাটাগরি
Yes, Mr. Parashar, is there it?
Lordship, may I submit one thing, Lordship?
Appear before Ayuk,
Lordship,
honor before 19th.
Lordship, this
Get the
is
case diary by 26th,
BA, Lordship.
26th. Appear before Ayuk, honor before 19th,
Lordship,
50,000.
50,000.
This is. Make it now. Yeah.
They are PHS category people, Lordship. Income level is also very low,
What is
Lordship.
the name?
Lordship, petitioner number one name is Lordship Sarajit Maji, Lordship.
and Pradeep Sanatani.
The other one is?
Other one is Pradeep Satnami, Lordship. One not named, Lordship. And they both are, Lordship,
1 and 4.
Lordship,
1 and 4 in the forwarding report.
Lordship.
Ah, yes.
1 and 4 in the forwarding report, Lordship. And they are BHS
December
category people,
21st?
Lordship.
Get it 20. We'll have it on 20.
Lordship, moreover, Lordship, their family members were not communicated regarding the arrest, Lordship.
Let us see.
They had also looked to be looked in the Lordship. Oblige your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? This is my lord, trial proceeding, Mr. my lord. Regarding my lord POXO 8, section 8, along with other section of kidnapping and criminal force. And now my lord, he is behind the bar for 142 days.
Special case number 301 of
And-
2024.
And next date fixed on 24th,
Now the-
2025.
Copy of the case diary of Borsuk Police Station case number 331 of 2024 from the Court of London, Special Judge Foxwood, Additional Session Judge Kamrup Metro Guwahati.
Otherwise, my lord,
Petitioner
victim statement already been recorded, my lord.
The informant,
Lordship.
respondent number 2, honor before 17th Friday. 27th.
my lord.
for CD. Lordship,
Scan copy.
We have called for
scan copy of
to
the,
register the petition.
my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day,
Yes.
as we will be engaging new counsel.
CD call along with another
Not pressing
BA,
at this moment.
along with one BA, it is fixed, no?
There is a BA, right?
It's AB, lordship.
No, this is a B, but along with one BA, it is fixed, I think.
Who is item number 5? Named counsel not shown.
Item number 5, my lord, adjourn.
No, that BA 429 lawyer name document.
Which one BA is there?
429.
Lordship, disposed.
One disposal BA is tagged.
Prepare the counsel for the petition matter is adjourned for today. List on Mongolwar detail.
Bless.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, FIR is vernacular is page number 11, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Just
বিষয় মানত ভুৱা প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ উলিয়াই দিয়া কামসমূহৰ প্ৰতি ৰাইজৰ হৈ উক্ত ভুক্তভোগীৰ অভিযোগ মই
Fake
Order
caste
for-
certificate, birth certificate, etc. my lord, going on as per the complaint is 34 numbers, my lord. So CD.
get the case diary.
my
My
lord,
lord.
complainant are my lord, not the aggrieved person, my lord, here, my lord. And my lord, moreover, my lord, the alleged offense is, my lord, practically not possible, my lord, because, my lord, there is a procedure for obtaining the, my lord, caste certificate, birth certificate, and, my lord, PAN card, my lord, is online mode, my lord. So, my lord, interim may be allowed, my lord, here, my lord.
25th, my lord.
Mr. Parashar,
My lord.
when
But today 13, my lord, from Soraido, my lord. 25th,
no, not that this week itself. 21st.
my lord.
If you go to 25th, there will be interim.
My lord,
Wait for
My
a
lord,
week.
20.
Get it on
my lord,
21st.
interim, my interior may be.
We'll have it on 21st.
Obliged.
May please, your lordship. My lord, the alleged victim is 4 years old, my lord. Affair is phase, my lord, 18, vernacular, my lord. And my lord, the petitioner is the, my lord, school teacher, my lord.
Okay, is there on 27, my lord?
From Suksar,
Yes, my lord.
take steps on the informing respondent number 2 on a video 70. Take it on a case diary.
My lord, the petitioner is,
So can you have it by 26?
Well,
26.
some protection may be given, he's a T-son.
4 years old guy.
Get the case there, get the case.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I received a bail application, Lordship. FIR is on page 13. Lordship, what happened in this matter, Lordship? Page 13 is the FIR. One lady was arrested and allegation is that 12.54 gram heroin recovered from her. And she was released on bail.
He is appearing. Matlab, page 15, matlab third para. She brought this third line. She brought this item from Ataboroma. So she may be granted bail, but this person told it.
He already granted bail, Lordship.
Yes.
Get the case there, but small quantity.
Small quantity, Lordship.
Case there next week,
Matlab next week, maybe 25 matlab.
24th.
How like Lordship? Lordship, my senior election another quarter. For time.
Take steps on the informant opposite party number 2 on or before 17th. Get the case diary. The POXO case,
Agawani matlab 24th matlab.
24th. Take steps on or before 17th.
Oh, Pokso matlab.
Tell lordship as that. Tell lordship FIR is on page 11 lordship. Lordship, there are two kettles, allegation of two kettles lordship. Kettles were already recovered lordship and the main accused is already behind bar lordship. Page 11 lordship. And Lordship, on page 13, the co-accused are already released on interim bail. Lordship. Order.
My lord, third paragraph of the FIR. How it is tied, my lord.
Yes.
The
Two
plastic rope. Legs and mouth.
Here before I honor before 19. Obliged. 50,000. Case diary by 27.
Lordship, that certificate case, Lordship, is going to be a call for.
What is Micah skill?
But we have also engaged the private counsel. Also. But we have the petitioner is behind the bar, Lordship, last 111 days, Lordship. And he's a 19 years old. This case, whereas is out of affair, kindly see, Lordship, case 9 is the affair, Lordship. But here, victim girl has already been examined, Lordship. Lordship, page 20 is the 28 is the rejection of the lordship. Lordship, the victim was examined on 29/1/2025, and the matter was posted for evidence next on lordship. Can you see 26/3/2025 lordship? I mean, there is an absolute delay in the trial.
Itu delay. Itu delay. Itu no. Pero delay hasta nanti por hablar de nanti lo traigo porque me vamos a otro. Mr. Sharma, have you gone to the record?
Yes, Lord.
Ma'am, you have gone to the record?
No, you're
The next it is fixed on 26/3 and the informant and the other important witnesses have not yet been examined. Apart from the victim and she has implicated clearly. Lord. At this stage, Lordship, it may not be considered. Lord.
Guru.
What you have done, Lord?
Yes, tell us, after going to the evidence of the victim, tell us.
Yes. Implicated, Lord. Only the fact remains that he was assaulted.
He was apprehended,
Yes,
then he was brought.
yes.
Lordship, she refused to go for medical exams.
Okay, I was in their petition also, apart from the ground that the victim has already been examined, so bail should be granted. They have not taken any other ground. Lordship. In the application, bail application, Lordship, they have not taken any ground for consideration of bail, Lordship, except that the victim has been examined and so bail should be granted. That is their only ground in the bail application. Lordship will kindly see. Only ground that they have taken is at paragraph 8.
There are other several grounds, Lordship.
7 and 8.
Several grounds in the petition. Lordship.
And Mr. Razid Ahmed, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. P. Sharma, and additional public prosecutor. appearing for the state. Also heard MS M.K. Brown and Amicus Curiae for the informant opposite party. By this application and the section such and such. The petitioner, namely such and such. Has paid for his bail in court, special within the case in arising out of South Salmora police station case number 74. Pending before the court of law, special within the of the South Salmora Mankacha, in which he was arrested on 22/11/2024 and in custody since that. As for the FIR, dated 22/11/2024. Arising out of Mankacha. Corresponding to the number 485. There is the South Salmora police. The case is that when the minor sister of the informant complainant was proceeding to the school on 22/11/2024. The accused petitioner around 8 in the morning wrongfully restrained her and proposed her. As the victim girl denied his proposal, the accused petitioner pulled her hand and also pulled her apparels. And took her to nearby jungles with intention to commit salafia before a trial court in said case number such and such on the date case. And thereafter, as and when is required by the said court, shall not treat the victim girl and her family members, including the informant. But if it will not come near to the kitchen,
Deeply obliged.
the Guwahati High Court Legal Service shall pay remuneration to MS M.K. Brown, Council. Sorry, Planet America's in assisting the court.
May I please, Your Lord? Number 2 was my item. I missed the item due to traffic, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, kindly may CD may call for Lordship. The BA matter motion matter, Lordship. CD may call for Lordship, kindly.
For a few minutes. Right. Yes, call the items. Wait for a few minutes, let the file be here.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Luther.
May it please, your lordship. But sir, it's a shown errors case, my lord. The lordship will find the, my lord, the translated copy of the FIR at page 9, my lord.
You have the case there, Mr. Sharma?
Yes, lordship.
Tell us,
My lord,
whether further consideration is required or not.
lordship, I mean, one aspect, my lord. One aspect that is, my lord, with regard to the law, my lord. If a lordship turns to page 16 for a once, my lord. Sorry, 15, my lord, 15, my lord. This is the only prayer for production and shown arrest of the accused person, my lord. Lordship has seen that, my lord.
Page number?
Page number 15, my lord. This is the only document, my lord, which, my lord, the investigating officer has prayed before the magistrate, my lord, for to show arrest, my lord. Now, my submission before your lordship, my lord, no grounds of arrest have been given to the, my lord, the accused petitioner, my lord. As your lordship has held yesterday also, my lord, that case, my lord. And in this case, my lord, I am behind the bars for 44 days, my lord. Originally, I was arrested in a Polasbari PS case number.
Where have raised that issue in your bail petition?
My lord, no, my lord, that I have not issued, my lord. As because it's a, my lord, it's not a rate petition, my lord, every amendment should be made.
That has to be there in the.
That's
order of bail.
that is my submission, my lord. Legal submission I can make, my lord, at any time, my lord. And to be honest, my lord, one submission, my lord, to be fair enough, my lord. The original case which I have been arrested, my lord, the Bosisto case, my lord, that has been charge sheeted, my lord. So even if I get bail in this case, my lord, I will be behind the bars.
So Doctor, just take your.
My lord.
চল্লিশ দিন হয়েছে 44 নহয় 58 হ'ল। 40 দিন।
How many cases are pending against this person?
One Polasbari, my lord, that has been charge sheeted, my lord.
Basista.
Sorry, Bosista, my lord. And
You are also appearing for him in another case.
my lord,
You are appearing for him in another case.
yes, my lord.
That has not been mentioned in this petition.
I think that is subsequent, maybe.
FIR is of earlier date.
Yes,
You have been arrested in that case,
total, I suppose, 3, my lord.
but there is no mention of the third case in the petition.
Tinta na, saida.
It is before us. Everything is before us.
My lord.
You have filed that petition next day. This one he has filed on 10th of February, that was on filed on 11th February.
Then lordship may take all the cases together, my lord.
The petitioner is silent.
আর বাকি দুটার নাম্বার তিনটা ফেলছ তিনটা
Petitioner is also an accused in Dispur Police Station case number 33/2025. And his bail application. PA number 393/2025 is pending. Which the petitioner did not state in this petition. Placed on 18/3/2025. Along with BA 436/2022.
46
Said that
on 18, my lord.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
from Panbaja, Mr. When?
Lordship, 24th.
Bless it.
You have the case diary?
Lordship,
What about the service report?
yes, lordship, service is complete, lordship. Amicus can be appointed, lordship.
Dr. Puja Agarwal.
Before the court trial rules, there was one, Manisha, I think.
It's not available. Informant. That's one number. Number. Three. Phone number 2. List on.
On Monday?
28. Results are copied on Dr. Puja Agarwal and Sajan. 570. Already got it. Can I got it? Good. 20. Mr. Sharma on 28. We have it.
We already have the case date. Case diary with the.
Not see the case. Yes, Mr. Parasar.
My lord,
Three persons were there in the vehicle and their vehicle met with an accident, my lord. One person subsequently died. And these two persons, my lord, they appeared and stated that they were not, but people suspected they were going for theft of cow. They have seen the people, they fled away, my lord, at 2 a.m. night. And ultimately met with an accident, one person died. And there is no cow in that car, my lord. Maybe in that
nothing
process,
recovered.
we don't know. But one person died, my lord. These were also injured.
Lordship,
And
India
they
was
have
granted
appeared
on,
statement recorded, my lord.
yes, Lordship.
Not Mr. Counsel for the- Mr. K.K. Parasar and petitioners namely such as on 4 section 482 DNSS. Praying for their peers by apprehending rates into therapy as customer party of the unpurchased. Corresponding to tier number 478 of 202. Reports my order to 0 to 12 2024 and the 3 arrest with interim three arrest with the petitioners. Pursuant to the same, the petitioners as appeared before the concerned investigating officer of Uttara PS case number concerned. The statements have been recorded. From the case diary, Mr. Parasar and additional public prosecutor sir, that seeing police personnel, the petitioners along with the vehicle fled away from the scene, which later made with a road traffic accident and one of the final person traveling in the same vehicle along with the petitioners expired due to injuries sustained by him. What is his name who expired? Ainal AYNAL expired. Petitioner also sustained injuries, I believe.
Yes, Lordship. Both the petitioner, Lordship.
Petitioners also sustained injuries in the said accident. However, police did not find any animal inside the vehicle involved in the accident. I the Scorpio vehicle. Considering this, the court is custody detention petition is not allowed. The interim bail granted petitioners earlier on 0 to 12 to 0 to 4 in say Uttara PS case number 30 of 0 subject to compliance of the compliance with the terms and conditions described that the said order dated such. According to this,
Deeply obliged,
we
Lordship.
conduct this step.
Forty, my lord, in this case, that was called for. It was not taken, my lord, petitioner's statements are not available, my lord. It was not
They are in
taken by
interim
the
since 1811, Mr.
No, my lord, yes, it was called for last of the my lord, it was diary up to only, yes, 1811.
Lekha. The petitioners are on interim bail since 1811 to 024. in Mogaigaon PS case number 27/2004. Though by orders dated 07/01/2025, 29/01/2025, 12/2/2025, the concerned investigating officer of Bongaigaon PS case number such and such was directed to place the up-to-date case diary. But Mr. Parasal Lanet, additional public prosecutor, submitted that in spite of the communication, the case diary has not been taken back by the IU concerned. Placed on 22nd of April, failure on the part of the concerned investigating officer of Bongaigaon PS case number such and such to produce the up-to-date case diary. The said officer have to personally remain present before this court on 22 up-to-date case diary pertaining to Bongaigaon case. On 22/04/2025 at 10:30.
Lord, interim may be continued.
Yes, next.
Interim may be continued. Obliged.
So, Doctor,
Well, I'm sorry, madam.
it's okay.
My lord, in this case, my lordship had asked for the up-to-date case diary
Yes,
with
Mr.
regard to the
Sharma.
statement of the.
Tell us whether their custodial interrogation is required or not.
Not necessarily, Lordship. If Lordship kindly goes to this statement of the complainant, as per your Lordship's direction, this statement was once again taken, Lordship, of the informant.
Eleven. Eleven. Seven. 70. FIR is at page 14.
But Mr. Ranjit,
Madam, I'm sorry, madam. Can I take leave, madam?
Yes, yes, please proceed. Mr.
I'm-
Sharma will be here.
Am I?
And the petitioner, namely such and such. File this application, the section 480 to be NSS. On 24/01/2024, paying for his PRS pay. Mukalma PS case number such and such. Earlier. Report by order dated. Zero 08/01/2025. Passed in AB number 3145/2024. Rejected petitioner's pre-arrest bail in said Mukalma PS case number 338 of pursuant to the order of the court, the investigating officer of Mukalma PS case number such and such 338 of to Mr. B. Sharma, place the update case there. From the case there, it is seen that the informant of the case was having affair with the petitioner. That 18022025 court granted interim bail to the petitioners in Bhangagar Police case number 28 of 20. Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor, on instruction submitted that pursuant to this interim bail, the petitioner have appeared before the concerned investigating officer of Bhangagar Police case number 28 of 20. From the case there, Mr. Sharma submit that there is a cross case in Bhangagar PS case number 27 of 2025 lodged by the petitioner. Ultimately, the petitioners initially lost the Bhangagar PS case number 27 of 2025 and the accused persons of said Bhangagar PS case number 27 of 2025 lost this cross case in Bhangagar PS case number 28 of 2025. During the fight between both the parties, the present petitioners as well as the petitioners of this case number 27 sustained injury in their person. Considering the materials indicated, the court is of the view considered detention of the petitioners. Accordingly, interim pre-arrest bail into the petitioners, namely such and such property, for order to be myself. Subject to the compliance of the terms and conditions specified in the state order. Any violation, right?
Matsul.
Display.
44 lordship CD has been received.
FIR address 9.
Recovered or not?
Recovered lordship, only thing lordship, he is an habitual offender lordship. In his name, one more case was pending lordship, that is Sarfanguri PS case number 18/23.
Sarfanguri.
Yes. And that is lordship, on the same set of allegation, and in this vehicle lordship, the 2 cows were recovered. One expresso vehicle lordship will kindly see.
PS case number, Sarfanguri PS case number.
Yes, lordship. Sarfanguri PS case number 18.
18.
Yes, 18/23. Under section 120B, 353, 379, 511, read with section 13 of the Cattle Preservation Act.
11.
Lordship, 13.
Section 11.
Section 13 of Cattle Preservation Act. And lordship, in this case, lordship, this vehicle was found in an abandoned condition and 2 cows were recovered, lordship. He managed to escape. So he is involved, lordship, fully involved. The vehicle belongs to him, lordship. He is the registered owner. Small vehicle, lordship, express over.
Mr. M.
Actually, my lord, I am the owner of the vehicle, my lord. The vehicle was run by my lord, the driver Mohidul Ali, my lord. I have stated in paragraph 4, my lord.
Application section filed on even 12/02/2025. The section 482 BNSS. Praying for his PRS bail for further PS case number such and such, under section such and such. That's all. What- But the section have been added later? Because initially those sections were not there.
Yes, later on it was added, Lordship. There was a prayer made and it was subsequently added.
The section. As for the affair of the case, affair, it is 06012025. Laws before. Bismori. Police patrolling party. On. Affair is it. The case is that on the night of 05012025, around 11:30, two of the cows of the complainant took away two numbers of cattle from his cow shed. On receipt of such information, on the night of 05012025 itself, police personnel from the Sumori Police Patrolling Post recovered both the cattle from Turamari village along with one Maruti Suzuki Espresso vehicle, white color Maruti, one white color Maruti Suzuki Espresso vehicle bearing registration number AS 01 FY 3367. The said FIR was accordingly registered as Bisumori PPGT entry number 80 dated 06012025 and was forwarded to the Kopragar police station wherein it was registered as further case number 06/2025 under section 303 within bracket 2 BNS. On the prayer of the investigating officer of the case, the Planet Chief Judicial Magistrate Kopragar by order dated 24/01/2025. The two cases which are registered at corresponding at the year number 12/2002. Planet Chief Judicial Magistrate Kopragar added sections 13 within bracket 1/16 of the ACP Act, read with section 11 within bracket 1 within bracket small d of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. As such, say Kopragar PS case number 06/2025 is now on to section 14. Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor from the case area also submit. that the petitioner is a habitual offender and earlier was found involved in Salfanguri Police Station case number 18 of 2023 under section 120 in bracket small p of 353 of 379 of 511 IPC reduced section 13 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act. Mr. Sharma from the case diary also submit that both the stolen cattle of the complainant was recovered from said white color Maruti Suzuki vehicle hearing number of the petition. It is seen that the police have already seized the two cattle of the complainant and handed over to him, and also seized the vehicle of the petitioner hearing registration number such and such. Considering the same, 75,000 to local surety. Consider by government employee. If we are before the eye or not before 20, but the condition shall not involve in any such thing. Have you mentioned that you were earlier involved in that case, in Sarpanguri case?
No, my lord,
That can be a ground for rejection of your bail.
because my lord, the petitioner has not instructed me whether there is another case against him or not, my lord.
The line leak. Involved in Sarpanguri. The petitioner in this petition did not state that he is an accused in said Sarpanguri case number such and such. For a condition are not involved in any criminal act. Dealing which.
Obligation.
Difficulty, Mr. Sinha.
My lord. As per medical report and
Difficulty is that on 7th we have passed an order. Call register. Mata. It is
yes, my lord, that
after some time.
yes, my lord.
Doctor Marco. Don't. কথা হল নাকি?
Obliged.
My pleasure, Your Lordship. Lordship, on last occasion, after perusal of the case diary, Lordship was pleased to call for the FSL report.
Yes, sir. Do you have the FSL?
Not received, Lord.
So the petitioner was arrested on 17th of January and already 55 days behind the bar, and the section involved, Lordship, 60 days statutory.
Mr. Pass on the case. Lord.
Yes.
Or Mr. P.V. Bhattakur, counsel appearing for the petition, and Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor. Petitioner, namely such and such filed this bail application in section 480. File application on 24/01 for his bail in such and such. Corresponding to the year number 58/2025. As for the FIR dated 16/01/2025, laws before the authorities of Tribunal Police Station. The case is that on receipt of specific information. Dhara. And so submitted. Let's back what to do.
Habla.
Revise. Put it the last. Tribunal Police Station. On 16/01/2025. That the petitioner involved in some online scamming. Tribunal Police Station GD entry number 07 dated 16/01/2025 was made. And the police personnel from Tribunal Police Station visited the house of the petitioner. At Komarpara. During investigation, it was found that the petitioner created an app called ARMAAN, which official logo and trademark. Two years back, taking the knowledge from YouTube videos, which is a duplicate version of the official ARMAAN, Army legitimate website. Full stop. During the investigation, it was revealed that the petitioner created Firebase and Google Console platform by drag and drop process that was later uploaded in the Google Play Store, which attached advertisements pertaining to the said app ARMAAN created by the petitioner, so that whenever someone downloads or visits the app, he earns a particular sum amount from Google AdSense for the apps attached to it. It has also come to know the police during investigation found that the petitioner also demanded money from those persons who had installed that said app, who use it to download salary slips or avail any facility using the said app since the year 2023. Said app. However, the said app of the petitioner got deleted in the year 2023 from the Google Play Store due to privacy policy violation of the platform. For which the users of the said app created by the petitioner could not operate the same. During investigation, police also found that the petitioner created another app, namely Arman Harma Hamraj, ARMAN, HAMRWZ, with different IDs and credentials, and uploaded the same. However, the payments that he used to receive from AdSense, ATSNS, and other sources through PayPal account were frozen and did not receive the money. From the position of the petitioner, laptop, MacBook Air, Apple iPhone, Poco Fi smartphone, HP laptop, one eSport CPU, and SBI passbook. His SBI passbook has already been seized. Considering the same and his detention in custody since 18/1/2025, the court is of the view that further custody is not warranted in said Chhatrapati case. 75,000 to local children on government employee condition return the case.
Applies, Lordship.
If judicial magistrate corporate house.
May I please, Lordship? Lord, this is a trial case, POXO is there. The victim and the informant has already been examined. Lordship, case 31 is the evidence of the victim. And behind the bar for Lordship 144 days. Altogether, 14 Lordship listed witnesses. Case 31 is the evidence of the victim.
Equally complete. Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say? Have you gone through the record?
Yes, Lord. There are two witnesses have already been examined, including the victim. And Lordship, the next date is fixed on 25/3 for further evidence. And Lordship, the medical report.
Just a minute.
Yes.
Heard. Mr. M. Khan, Counsel. Yes, what do you have to say?
My lord. I am appearing for the informant.
What do you have to say, Mr. Rahman?
Lord, there was love affair.
Stand still.
May it please your lordship. Now, this is an application under section 483, your lordship. The petitioner was arrested on Mother 28/1, my lord. And today 45 days in custody, my lord. FIR at page 10. Relation under the IT Act and the Public Game and Betting Act, Assam Game and Betting Act, my lord. Main allegation.
Yes, Mr. Forrest.
My lord, yes, not only Assam Game and Betting Act, my lord, there are, my lord, ingredients of cyber
I've seen, my lord,
IT is also available, and this is a crime, my lord, organized crime. My lord, they use my lord, bank account of some other person, my lord. In that account, my lord, 30 to 40 lakhs were deposited, and from various sources, my lord. And they provide only my lord, bank account to other person, third party. Subsequently, my lord, these amounts were by NEFT transferred in a whole day, my lord. And this my petitioner, along with other 3 persons, they were sitting in one place, and one group leader is there, Tafazul, my lord, as for the FIR case number 1. Tafazul. My lord, and this petitioner were found, my lord, along with the other 3 persons were in a room, my lord. They are doing this activity, and several mobile phones were seized. Along with now CDR analysis of all the mobiles is pending, my lord, and bank details of accounts, my lord, thorough analysis is required, my lord. Investigation is the initial stage, my lord, though yes, 45 days, my lord, 44 days for my calculation, my lord. But at this stage, my lord, it is difficult, my lord. Huge amount of money is involved, my lord. My lord, kindly go to the my lord, statement of only 1 or 2 accused, my lord, my lord.
The lordship knows under 66 IT Act, my lord. This is lordship, it's a bailable section, my lord.
Let us do one thing.
Lordship.
Let us take up next week.
Lordship, lordship.
That will be better.
Lordship.
We'll take it up on 21st.
Lordship.
By that time,
He shall retain the
whatever you want the update case there.
It needs to be updated, my lord.
By that time, it will be sufficient.
lordship. Oblige, your lordship. I can understand, my lord. Oblige.
May it please your lordship. This matter may be adjourned for the day, your lordship. Some instruction is yet to get made.
He reiterated the previous matter. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, my lord. Oblige.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the petitioner is behind the bar for almost 83 days, my lord. He was arrested on 21/12/2024, my lordship. It was shown arrest, my lord.
Yes,
83 days, my lord.
My lord, yes. One person, Mohor is 82 days, and this Akhirul Malad is 68 days. Now, there are 4 persons involved Malad, during the incident, Malad. One, Malad, they used 2 motorcycles, one Bilal and Mohor, and one Nur Kalam and one Mofidul. They 4 went to that market and tried to.
Just tell us
No.
at this moment. Just tell us one thing.
Malad.
Whether his further custody detention is required.
My
What are
lord,
the materials in the
they,
cases?
they were involved in some other cases also. My lord, details is not my lord, huge case that my lord, I am going through, my lord. Now this Akirul, my lord, he has provided that pistol and motorcycle, my lord.
We'll have it on 25th.
My lord.
By that time we finish up. Right?
And 2 person injured, my lord, during that firing. Arms circle is there. And this Mofidul, my lord. Mohar, my lord.
Earlier one case we rejected.
Yes, my lord. One case rejected.
One case you have rejected, right?
One case
Remember
rejected.
that it is in that CSP.
Yes, CSP.
Right.
Yes.
My lord, I am appearing, my lord, in item number 31, my lord.
In custody.
I think Mohor.
My bail applications earlier
Earlier
rejected, my
rejected
lord,
Mohor,
once,
my lord.
my lord. Now, my lord, I am in custody near about 69 days today, my lord. Yes. The Lordship's order, my lord, I have annexed, my lord.
Yes, Mohor, this Akirul, my lord. Page 19.
About 9 to 10% has been arrested, my lord. Although, my lord, in the FIR, it is said 3% came, my lord, in a bike, my lord. And all are arrested on suspect, my lord. They picked up from the house, my lord, after 1 month, my lord. No recovery from any of this person, my lord. The petitioner before your lordship, my lord, Akhirul Islam, my lord.
Tell us when to take.
My lord, but statement from the co-accused and from the statement of this petitioner also, Akirul also, my lord, he provided that pistol and they discussed regarding that
The
issue.
punching is very much clear, my lord. Coastal statement is not admissible, my lord, at this stage. No recovery is there, nothing, my lord.
My lord, mandatory provision has not been followed, my lordship. 47 and 48 of the BNS has
And
not been followed,
co-accused
my lord.
also been enlarged on bail, my lord. I have annexed the orders, my lord, in my petition, my lord.
In my case, my lordship, it was shown arrest, my lord.
20th.
Notice दिया ना
18 to 20
Notice क्यों लगा? CBI से notice क्यों लगा?
No, ये ground of arrest दिया ना अपना काफी लोगों को दिया
Today is 83rd day.
My lord,
Today is 83rd day.
83, my lord, 82.
83.
83.
83. On 20th, my lord, 20.
On
0.
length of detention, my lord.
Okay. On 20.
Last.
20.
May I please you, Lord? 82 days behind the bar, my lord. Informant was made party, my lord, 20.
What is the
Relation of child marriage, my lord. But in fact, my lord, no such marriage took place, no delivery was taken place.
CD not this in my lord.
What is the information service of notice? It was issued to you on 6/3.
Is a inspector of,
My lord, yes,
6/3 you received.
not received, my lord. But whether received by our office, also, I have not checked regarding that, my lord.
82 days already completed, my lord. It is entirely a false case, my lord, just to harassment.
Vice Governor.